Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I am showing you how to make a cute little shoe. I am using 2.5 mm needle and a thread. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we will chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 3 additional 1 2 3. Now make in the fourth one 2 double crochet and make 1 double crochet in all stitches except last one. 1 double crochet in all stitches. Now I reach to my last chain. In this chain I will make 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now I will make double crochet in a row, and when I reach to my last chain I will tell you then what to do. So now this is my last chain. I will make 3 double crochet in last chain. 1 2 and 3, and make a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Now chain 1 and make in the same stitch single crochet for 2 times, and next chain 2 single crochet, then 1 2 3 single crochet, and 1 2 half double crochet, and 1 2 3 double crochet. Now make 2 2 double crochet in 5 stitches, then we will have 10. Now make double crochet in 3 and half double crochet 2 times, and 3 double single crochet, and 3 in 2 2 single crochet in 3 stitches, last 3 stitches, 2 single crochet, and make a slip stitch in the first chain. This is my second row. Now chain 3 and make in the same stitch double crochet. In the next make 2 double crochet. In the next stitch make 2 double crochet. And make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In 10 stitches make double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in 10 stitches. 2 2 double crochet each stitch or in 10 stitches. Now after making 20 stitches, now make double crochet in 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in all stitches except last 4. Now I have 3 stitches in which I will do 2 double crochet. Now make a slip stitch in the third chain. Oh, I skipped one. One double crochet. Now my sole is ready. Now this is my sole, and from the back side of the sole this is the middle of my shoe sole, and I will count 11 from this side, and I put a stitch marker here. Now I count 11 from this side and I put a stitch marker here too. So first of all I will make slip stitch off to the sole. Make a slip stitch in all stitches all around of the sole to the end. So make the slip stitch and make it all around till to the end. Now I make a slip stitch all around, and this is my stitch marker, to 11 from this side and 11 from this side. So I will start my work from this side. Now I will take my yarn and make a chain 1, and the same stitch I will make single crochet and single crochet in all stitches till to the next stitch marker. So make it till to this end. Now chain 1, turn your work, skip the first one and the second, make single crochet till to the other side, single crochet till to the other side. Now chain 1 and skip one, in the next make one single crochet and make it till to the end. Now when I reach to the end of this side, I will make chain of 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now make double crochet in the middle of the shoe sole here. This is the middle of the shoe sole. So I will make double crochet in the middle. Now this is my middle. Okay, now I will do 9 chain again. 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now I will go to this side, and in the first stitch I will make single crochet. So make single crochet in all stitches. Now I reach there, so I will make single crochet in this stitches also. So make single crochet in this all stitches. So here I make one decrease. Now make single crochet in next stitches. Now I reach here. Now so I will make single crochet once again in all stitches till to the end. Again make single crochet all over till to this end. Now I am here. Do all single crochet all around till to this side. Now I will make single crochet again to the next end. This is the end. Okay, make single crochet in all stitches to the next end. When I reach here, I will chain 9 again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and make to this end, make a single crochet. Okay, it will be like this. So single crochet all around, single crochet all around to this side. Okay, all around single crochet for 2 times, one time and 2 times. Now this is my sandal. It will look like this. So I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel, and we'll see you in next video with new pattern inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.